Give her a hug. Give her a hug. That's your Patches kitty. Give her a hug. Oh, yes. Hugs. Can you give her a kiss? What are you doing now? That's an elephant. Give him a hug. No, that's a kiss. Give him a hug. What you got there? Hi, baby. You giving me your elephant? Thank you. Now where are you going? That's a giraffe. Yeah, hugs.